Happy birthday.
Oh.
I'm gonna turn 6. Peanut.
Happy birthday.
Oh.
Wow, you look so big.
I'm back with another video, and today it's my birthday and I'm going duck hunting.
What time is it?
Is it 4?
What time did you wake up?
3.
And how many hours have you been asking if it's time to go duck hunting?
A bunch.
A bunch, yeah. Like 300. Well, get in there.
Wait. Try to toss that one over there.
You're gonna have to pick all these up too, bud.
That's the worst part. When they're all wet.
Huh? Okay. A serious 6-year-old these days, huh?
Graduated. Okay. Got it? We say we toss some geese out there?
Ah! Bro, look at that one. It's just like
Oh yeah, that one's on its side.
Chase. Sit.
Chase is ready to go.
The hardest part is keeping them from tackling the geese.
You hear that, Craig?
Tell you he did it at the VA.
Okay, that's good.
Is that enough?
Yeah.
See out there?
Oh, this is not bad. Could sit in here all day.
Yeah, kind of.
Could have brought a fishing pole. Hand warmers it is. We can drop those waders down, stick them right in your boots. Huh?
They're not really doing anything. My legs are really.
What are you doing?
I'm eating cookies.
Cookies?
Looks like we're gonna have to rebuild on the. You're only allowed to have 3. So this long tube, when you duck hunt, you got to put they call it a plug. It's like a stick in there, so you can only put 2 shells in here and then 1 in the chamber. And then you see this little button right here? That's the safety. So right now it's on, and then when you push it that way, that's off. So right now it's all ready to go, ready to shoot you. So what we'll do, when they come in, we'll call them, we'll try to get them to sit on the water. We'll line up the gun up here like your dad was saying. And then when you're ready to shoot, push the safety off.
I bet I'll shoot one today.
Yeah? I hope so.
Bro, one of these just poked me right inside the nose.
How'd that feel?
Those lightning bolts are starting to get pretty serious you got there, kid.
Yeah. I got 2 of them.
You got 2 lightning bolts? Oh yeah, you do. I think it's pretty sick.
Well, when you got a barber named Josue,
We thought no, it's Josue. He pronounces it Josue.
Well, he told me Josue, but maybe he told you something different.
That's what
He also thought your birthday was yesterday. Yeah, I knew you'd get a kick out of that.
The other day I went to the day before yesterday. I went to the barber and I told him my birthday was the day after tomorrow, and he was like, "Oh, tomorrow." He said it was tomorrow.
Did you bring your calls with you?
I brought my
Practice?
duck.
Gonna practice in the house, right? Mom loves that thing.
No, ever make it sound like they're eating?
See, I told you.
Right?
I can do that.
Let's
Okay.
hear it. There you go. So right at the end, like here. So if you put your hand like this, and then you put your hand here to clog the end, that way you can control it. So see the air that goes through? You want to control the air a little bit. And when you're blowing it, you go tugga, tugga, tugga. Right? See how you clog your hand? It makes pressure in here. And you can make different sounds. Pretty sweet.
Give it a shot.
No.
Oh no, nervous?
You can make different ones.
Come on, you're 6 now.
Like, you know what a mallard sounds like? A Drake mallard, so it's the one with the green head. When he sits on the water, he goes. Right? Have you ever heard a wood duck? You go.
That duck call is way different than this guy.
This one's a whistle. See? They call it a 4-in-1 whistle, so you can make different noises with it. Cool? Practice, 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 right? Arkansas? It could be from all the way up in Canada. Pretty far. Back to Bird, right?
Did you know that the birds could fly that far?
What?
You know the birds could fly that far? Those little birds?
No.
Don't scare them off, Craig.
I think the dog is.
No.
No.
No, they're checking it out. Oh yeah. That's like goose. So what do you think? Your 6th birthday, it's pouring rain out.
No. Yeah, I don't know if I'll shoot one today, but
Well, even if you don't, you gotta try. It's not as easy as you thought, huh?
Call last night. I was in the. I texted you guys that picture, and then he was calling. I was in the skid steer moving rocks. You see through there?
I can't see one.
It's like the scope, right?
Oh yeah.
You just gotta get in the right spot. Oh,
Tree birds. You hear that? You hear the wind in their wings? It's crazy, right?
yeah, that is crazy. Don't lean on the blind too much, though.
when you're hunting wood ducks, especially, you'll be sitting there, and all of a sudden you don't know what it is. It's them flying so fast, coming in over your head. They fly so fast, and that's the wind going through the ends of the feathers on their wings. It's fogging on you.
Don't see anything.
Nothing.
Well, we got rained out. We made it as long as he could. No ducks. We'll be back, huh? 6th birthday? What do you say? You gonna wrap this up? You can't be that cold, you're cranking it so slow. It's getting harder. Just watch your finger on the gear, especially when it's cold.
We didn't get any ducks today, but it was still fun, and it's my birthday. Okay guys, this is the end of this video. If you like this video, make sure to click subscribe. Catch you later. Peace.